What is up, guys? Welcome to the channel. If you are new here, my name is Mateo and I travel full-time in my self-converted 2001 Ford E250 with my cat Lars. Right now we are in I don't actually know where I am right now. I was driving on these windy, icy roads and I thought to myself, I'd sure like to not be doing this right now. It's getting dark. So I just opened up iOverlander and literally the first place that I saw, I clicked the Google Maps, and here we are. I should probably read and see what the reviews say, but there are a few other people here. Convenient. Okay, I'm getting good stuff. All right. I want to check this place out a little bit. I want to take you guys to check it out because there's like a frozen stream or like a lake or a pond, whatever it is. And I want to check that out real quick. So let's go do that. Be right back, baby. I hope I don't slip. Oh, God. Yeah, that's the frozen water. It's so cold. Oh, it's so freaking cold out here. I just want to get a good look at the water, or ice water. Nice little picnic table. Wow. I love snow, man. Snowman. I love snow, man. What's up, guys? So I am exhausted from driving all day, but I really wanted to bake something. A few days ago, I was thinking about what I should bake. I was thinking about doing like a focaccia bread or a sourdough or just make a pizza or something like that. And while I was driving to Colorado from Albuquerque, I was smelling something in the van. And I was like, why do I smell like strong banana smell? And the reason is because I forgot that I bought bananas like 2 weeks ago. So I have these bananas that have just been like ripening over the past couple weeks. And I did some digging around to see like what ingredients I have. And I have ingredients that I could make a banana bread. So I think that's exactly what we're gonna do right now. Traveling, it's hard to keep certain things in the van. You don't have space for a lot of stuff. But I found this mixing bowl. It's called Snapfold. And you pretty much fold it. And yeah, it turns into a little mixing bowl that can fit anywhere in your space. So we're about to make some banana bread. I've never made banana bread before. I did not look up any recipes. I'm just gonna go with what I think should make a banana bread, and we'll see how this goes. I'm not gonna lie, I have been feeling super burnt out this week. From driving hours a day to filming and editing hours worth of video every day and editing and all that. This is not a complaint. This is just me letting you guys know I'm a little burnt out. So if this video isn't amazing or incredible, you know what? Sometimes we got to do something chill. And I think making a banana bread right now is exactly what I need. All right, so I did have to throw one of the bananas away because they were like a little too far gone. These are like pretty overripe, but I think it's gonna work out. All right, next I'm gonna add a little bit of this gingerbread oat milk creamer just to add some like nice holiday flavor to it. I'm also gonna add some of this Biscoff butter just because I feel like it. Wow. All right, now I'm gonna add a little bit of vanilla extract. I'm gonna add 1 egg. If they're not frozen. All right, I got this chocolate bar from Dolly when we were hanging out. It's a gingerbread milk chocolate bar. I'm gonna cut some of this up and throw it in the banana bread. And I found some shelled walnuts. A little bit of sea salt. A little bit of cinnamon. All right, so I'm not gonna add any extra like sweetener to this, no sugar. I feel like the chocolate, the Biscoff butter, the bananas themselves, the creamer, I think that's plenty, enough sweetness. I think this is gonna be just fine. So now we just need to add some flour, and I don't have any baking soda or baking powder or anything like that, so hopefully it will bake up just fine. I guess we'll see. That looks pretty good, I think. That looks like cake consistency, I'd say. It smells incredible, that's all I know. right, I'm gonna clean up while this is in the oven. I don't know how long this is gonna take, so I'll just be periodically checking on it. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and wash some of these dishes up, and I'll see you guys when the banana bread is done. Yeah, I think it's done. The chocolate looks super weird. I don't like how that turned out. Let me smooth that out a little bit. The chocolate looks weird, but I'm sure it's gonna be delicious. All right, let's let this cool down for a little bit and then we'll try it. Not the prettiest looking thing. Looks more like a cookie pizza thing, but hey, that looks pretty good. Let's give it a try. All right, so I put the rest of the banana bread back in the oven for a little bit because I feel like it's not quite done. But that also might be because I did something wrong. I could have just messed it up, but it looks like it's a little too moist still. But this smells incredible. This smells really freaking good. Yeah, that's my first attempt at making banana bread. Hopefully it's gonna be good. Cheers. Oh yeah, that chocolate was a great idea. This is pretty freaking good. For my first time making banana bread, without having like enough bananas for the recipe, and without knowing that I was gonna make banana bread today, this is honestly pretty freaking good. This is like I'm not gonna give it like a number rating. It's like a B. It's a good B. It's pretty good. I think it'll taste even better when it's cooled down. Like in the morning with some coffee. Hey, I'm proud of myself. This is good. All right, guys. I can barely keep my eyes open if I'm being honest. So I'm going to finish this. I'm going to go to bed.